the video on the veg that we bought in Eastbourne. But it wasn't just the veg that I bought. I went a bit backwards. Our family there, they go in these shops, it's readily available, so they drove me to another Indian shop and also a Filipino shop where you could get some Chinese sauces. So let me run you through what I bought. So this is like a black fungus, mushroomy fungus, black fungus, that's it, a Chinese thing. So this is used in stir fries. Well, the recipe I'm going to do, or that we do back home, we put them in chow meins. Let's say you do beef with oyster sauce, you will put that. It needs soaking, washing, soaking, and then cut into little pieces. When I do a recipe, I will show you. Then I bought 2 lots of dry shrimps, and this dry shrimps. Actually, you know the dish that I did the other day regarding the chouchou, patol and leek, and I put beef in it. So some people also back home in Mauritius, they put dry shrimps in it. It's very delicious too. Then I fancy this, guys. I don't know, the Mauritian people out there, this is a childhood memories. I would say childhood treats. I can't remember, I think it was at the neighbours. We used to go after coming back from school, and the neighbour would, instead of having bread, butter, cheese and jam or whatever, or fried bread and all that, we would have this as a snack. So this, you would say, what? Chickpea, brown chickpea. So yes, you soak it overnight, wash it, soak it overnight, and then in the pressure cooker for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and then drain it. And then after that, it's oil, loads of onions, curry poulet, which I bought also. Where's my curry poulet? I think we'll show you that, guys. Curry poulet in there. Gros piment, it's like big chilies, green chilies cut, and then some spices. It is, then you let it cool down, and then it's dry, okay? And then you put it in a container and leave it in the fridge. And as a snack, instead of having bread, you just snack on that. It is just amazing. Right, then I bought some milk powder. Always comes useful here in our home. I bought some vermicelle to do bouillon mifoun and all that lot, okay? And I bought some other chow mein noodles. Pancit canton, chow mein noodles. I also bought some undo noodles. These also could, we do soups and all sorts of stuff. I will show you when I invent something or do a recipe with it. And then I look at these babies. So this is straw mushroom and this is oyster mushroom or tiger. I just say mushroom. I think it's black mushroom. These I put them.
Poku.
Yeah, you can't get them in the normal supermarket. You've got to go to a Chinese supermarket for that, and my nearest is in, I believe, Leicester. So while I was in Eastbourne, I shopped. So these are to do chicken free mushroom sauce, Chinese mushroom sauce, right? Then I bought some spices. This is Ajwain Seeds. It is similar to thyme, dry thyme, but you can use them to roast potatoes and put them in little savory pancakes, parathas, naan bread. Then I bought some tomka paste. I will probably do either a soup, I guess a soup with it. I'll show you guys. And this is a mixture of seeds. This is called...
Already started using them.
Yeah, panch purang. I use that, I will show you, I use that sometimes to do my achar of Vindai. I use that, so I will show you. You can't get it everywhere, so you've got to look out for it instead of putting mustard seeds. I do put also mustard seeds, but I think in there are mustard seeds. Right, let's move on to the next one. And then these are little deliciousness. Banana chips, but in Mauritius we serve this as gajats. They are really nice, but they are, I would say, savory. But these are savory and sweet, but they are superb. A little bit of that with mixed nuts, salted nuts, beautiful for, like, you know, aperitif or...
Which I had in Eastbourne.
Yes, very nice. Then let's go here. And then I've never cooked with that. I love taro leaves, but I'll tell you in a minute, guys. Hang on, we'll come back to that. Big bag of paprika, shrimp paste to do a lot of curries and bouillons and soups. More recipes, because this is also difficult to get around here. What is taro leaves? Taro leaves. Bread songe. Excuse me. That's it. Bread songe. We can't get the leaves here. Maybe somewhere, but I haven't seen them. So I'm going to give that a go. I am going to do fricassé again. Fricassé bread songe with sardines. So I think, and we are going to finish off with these 3 nice sauces. So this is a mushroom vegetable stir fry. It's good for everything. It's good, well, of course Chinese, but it's good to marinate chicken, anything, guys, vegetables. It's really, really nice. Sauce is beautiful. Chicken marinade. This is another recipe. Basically, my mum got that recipe from a Chinese lady who used to work with her, and she used to buy these big Maryland pieces of chicken. Maryland, yeah. It means that it's the drumstick and the thighs together. So basically,
that was my favourite Chinese takeaway was chicken Maryland.
Really?
Yeah, with a banana fritter.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
so
mushrooms and all this sort of thing.
That's it. Just that, and I think she puts a bit of sweet wine, Chinese wine as well. And then she doesn't do it in the oven, it's on the stove. It's absolutely beautiful. And at the end, she puts very long spring onions, but back home it's spring onions, and they call it like a lai, means like a sort of oniony, but it's more, the flavor is more basically garlic, but it's thin as well, it's not round one. Right, I think we're going to stop here to finish off. So watch the space. Thank you for now we say good night, and I shall see you very soon. Bye, everybody. Night, night.